A dog?
Actually, sir, I'm a puppy.
A baby dog? That's even worse.
You're in shock, so I'm not gonna take that personally. Now let's get you out of here.
No way. I'm waiting right here for a real rescue. Ah! I changed my mind. I'll go with you.
Ryder, these cables aren't gonna hold much longer.
Let's go, Chase! Get him out of there!
We're coming out.
Oh, oh.
Don't panic. I need you to stay calm.
No deal. I'm freaking out.
Then you're really not gonna like this.
Ah! We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. Ah!
You can open your eyes now.
Oh, we made it.
Great work, Paw Patrol!
Everybody get back! The truck's leaking gas!
Oh, come on. That's not gas. That's the stuff I've been hauling from coast to coast. That is pure Canadian maple syrup.
Okay, time to clean up this mess. Deploy waffles, pancakes, and French toast!